How's it going, my guys? It's Jorde here at the Splat podcast. I do the 3D effects, the graphics, the music, all sorts of fun, cool stuff. So instead of me talking, let's take a look at that. When working on making scenes like the Splat Attack studios and all the different offices and fun rooms, I build everything in Blender, which is my 3D program of choice. And then I work in other programs like After Effects, Photoshop, Illustrator to do compositing and build extra graphics. What's fun is you can always look at things in different perspectives. You can switch between grayscale, texturing. You can see all the lines that compose the models. It's a lot of fun, but it takes a lot of work. But every season, we work really hard to make sure we can kick out some awesome, cool graphics. So here's a quick look at some of the behind-the-scenes buildups of how 3D looks when it's not finally rendered. Another big part of rendering out all these 3D items is managing files. There's tons and tons and tons of files, and file management is a big important part of making sure everything stays organized and goes well. Well, thanks for joining me for this behind-the-scenes look at the Splat Attack podcast. Hope you guys had a good time and enjoyed looking at how these things get made. Be sure to join us for the next season coming up soon. Splat you later.